Hi guys, welcome to my channel Fixing News. Today we are fixing Tab Pro Samsung power button. It's stuck on the frame and wouldn't start to turn on. It's stuck, completely stuck. You can see it. First of all, we have to open from the back. The front is alright. Let's try to fix it now. Don't forget to disconnect the battery. There you go. The power button is over here. You have to open the screw. Just lift the frame a little bit up. There you go. Just like that. Here you go. This flex is all together. The volume button, the power flex. This look like a water damage. And headphone jack. This is simple, quite simple. You can buy that one is online and you can fix it. Thank you for watching.